Sim, mal, card, gang, whip, flago, bar, switch, lane, in, ride. Yeah, look, link, count, no, big, walk, card, look, short.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. I know it's been a long time, but it's not for good reason. I'm not even finna say it's for good reason. It's for stupid reason. But today we are back with a video on frontal maintenance. And right now I am blowing out her hair from shampooing and conditioning it, because it really needed to be. So my life has been all over the place. So Corona happened. I was out of the shop for a month and a half, and then I started doing hair again, and it just was great. The customers at that, it was just amazing. I am putting Ruby Kisses on her lace, and then I'm gonna spray it with Got to Be Glue spray to make sure that the Ruby Kisses and the glue that I'm gonna put on her to glue down her frontal doesn't mix. Please disregard my wardrobe and the list that I have in this voiceover, because I had no intention on going to the shop this day. I rushed over there because this is my own, by the way. She had somewhere to be for 8 in the morning, so I had to do her hair yesterday, and I'm posting this video the day that she's doing what she's doing. Yeah, so just excuse my appearance. I'm just, I was in my house. Yeah, I'm on the second year at this point. I have started school and started a second business that I hope is not as demanding as this one. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love it, but I hope it's not as demanding, In this clip, can we get into this melt? Come on. She bring it up. I bring it up. Comb it back. Ooh, chocolate vanilla swirl. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Get into it. Currently, I have class at 12:30, so I'm trying to finish this before 12:30. I am combing the hair over her tracks now at this point, and parting her and hot combing. Well, I hot combed her already by this point, I think. Yes, I did. And I put a band around the front of her, lace to lay it down while she's under the dryer. I did not get the edges in this video. I'm so sorry for that, because she does have a personal way she likes her edges, and I really wanted to get that on camera, but I did not. I forgot. Yeah, so now I'm basically just pinning up her hair so she could take it down and it be all pretty and stuff when she takes it down. Yeah, y'all about to get into that bounce. Get into the bounce. Yeah, not much anything's been happening. I got 2 new piercings, but they're not really new. I just got them re-pierced. Yeah, my best friend moved into college. I mean, that's a good thing. I don't really have much to talk about. My life is not that exciting. It's filled with work and school, so that's great. I'm working on self-care. That's a real thing. Get into it. Can we get into this pinup? Honestly, let's get into that. That's just beautiful. You're going to see a different type of pins at the end of this video. That's because these are my good clips, and I switched them out for bobby pins, which I do for most of my clients. I switch them out for bobby pins, so you can take those home. And usually I put a hairnet on it, but she ain't want no hairnet. Look at that. Get into it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Yes, chocolate vanilla swirl. I did not record an outro. So this is it. Bye, guys. Love you.